This training video is for use by distribution sites responsible for the shipping of products requiring temperature protection, using the Q Products and Services CargoQuilt Kit solution for rail car loads. In this video, we will illustrate steps to unpack the CargoQuilt Kit, apply it to the load, and then stow the QPack within the load for repackaging at its destination. Proceed to load the first row of double-stacked cargo into one side of the rail car. Follow with the second, single-stacked row. Open the QPack by loosening the drawstring closure. While grasping the clasp, loosen the rope one side at a time. Pull the QPack bag down around the corrugate and remove the first panel. With the straps facing up and tucked into the fold, carry the panel and extension pole into the rail car. To apply the first panel, place it on top of a single-stacked pallet and unfold. Lean the panel up against the double-stacked row so that the straps are facing down and the reflective side is facing you. Using the extension pole, raise the panel up and on top of the double-stacked row as shown. The straps should be hanging down to prevent shifting and for easy retrieval. Continue the loading pattern on the opposite side of the rail car and repeat the process to apply the next CargoQuilt panel. Then continue to load the rest of the rail car, alternately loading opposite ends and applying a CargoQuilt panel to each row, following the same procedure. Before straight loading the center rows, repeat the process to apply a CargoQuilt panel on top of each double-stacked pallet on either side. Remember to have the straps hanging down to prevent shifting and for easy retrieval. Straight load 3 double-stacked pallets into the back row of the center of the rail car. Repeat the process to apply the CargoQuilt panel, as shown, ensuring the straps are hanging down and payload is covered to the edges. Repeat again for the front row of double-stacked pallets, once again ensuring that the straps are hanging down and that each pallet is entirely covered. Once loading is complete, collapse and fold the QPack and stow it with the cargo so it can be reused at its destination.